Hey all, it is Sunday, April 12th, 2026, out on Lake Maumelle again for a little bit of fishing. The wind has been blowing. I got my buddy with me. He's a little frustrated. But we're just going to try and see if we can find some calmer pockets. I'm going to spend maybe about 10-15 minutes here just trying the dirtier water, then get to some cleaner, less wind-blown pockets. So let's get to it. Fish off the back of the boat just the way that this is setting up. This little pocket back here was nice and calm a couple days ago. Just goes to show how much changes in just a little bit of time. I'm just getting it tied into some grass. Oh, that's a fish. Ooh, what is it? I don't know what it is. Oh, wow. What is that? What in the world? What is this? Kai, look at this fish. Oh, it's a, what's it called? Not an eel. Look at this thing, Kai. Look at that crazy fish. Isn't that fish nuts? I'm gonna pop a fish. All right, let's get out of here. Jeez almighty. Doggone it. Broken rod tip, 2 lost lures. Oh yeah. Yes.
It's getting kind of wet.
Ew. Look, I got a fish. It's hard to tell it. There we go.
Fishy.
Alrighty, got that one. We're gonna go sliding back in there. But that was something. One. Yeah. No. Boy. That was the one. Oh my gosh. What am I doing with my life? Recording. That's okay. Got us a little crankbait fish. God, I took it sideways. Look at that pretty little fish. Just gonna wrap it up. Got 3 fish in a couple hours. And we just a lot of wind, broke a rod tip, lost 3 lures. This was an expensive trip, but you know, got us out. You know, so really can't complain about that. I want to thank you all so much for watching. We will catch you on the next one. Bye now.